What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing an unboxing and overview of the Springfield Armory Prodigy 9mm magazine. So these go to, I have here a Springfield Prodigy. This is the 4.25-inch barrel one, but they also have a 5-inch Springfield Prodigy. So these are basically some spare mags that you can pick up. I got these from a website called MagShack, right around $49 a piece, same price. Even though one is a 17 round and one is a 20 round, they also sell a 26 rounder and it's still the same price. It's about 50 bucks. So they are on sale though. So that's when I got them for these prices. Normally they're a little bit more expensive. So check them out if you need to pick up a couple of these. But if you are, that's what we have this video here today. Let's go ahead and show you what comes with them as far as the package. Give you a hint, there's not much. And then let's talk about actually functionality. Do these work for your Prodigy moving forward? So with that, let's go ahead and get into it. Welcome over to the mat here. Let's go ahead and get these out of the packaging as far as the unboxing. So as you can see, I have a 17 rounder here, as well as I picked up a 20 rounder. I got these from MagShack. They were actually on sale for like $49.99. They're the same price for each of them, as well as they have a 26 rounder, I think it is. But I didn't want that one. It's pretty extended. If you're a competition shooter, you probably want that. But for myself, I'd rather have it be flush or just have the extended base plate. But pretty simple packaging. Again, it does say this is the Springfield Armory ones. You can go ahead and cut them open, pull them out of the packaging. Nothing special, no stickers, which is unfortunate. But that's all you get as far as your mag there. These are metal, which is nice. And you can see the Springfield Armory logo on here, as well as we have the window on the side for when there's 10 or 17 rounds in there. Let's go ahead. We're going to cut open the other one as well. Get that guy out. And like I said, this is the 20 rounder now, where it has a little extended base plate. So you can go ahead and see that. Same thing, windows for 10, 15, and 20. And this is also metal too. So pretty simple as far as the unboxing there, and that's what you get. As far as how they fit in the gun here, I have my 4.25-inch Springfield Prodigy here. So for the flush one, or the 17 round, you can see it goes in just flush like that there. There is a little grip here to grab, which is actually pretty nice. So I guess it's not flush. It's a little bit off, but you have that. And then if you use the 20 rounder, it looks like an extended mag with just the base plate here. And this is real easy to grab. It has that little groove there and slides in nicely too. So that's what it looks like. Again, there is a 26 rounder, and if that's the case, it actually looks like like this hanging out of the gun, which looks a little goofy. But again, if you're like a competition shooter and you need that many rounds, it does make sense. But for my case, I think this looks a lot better and is more practical for me. All right, so I went ahead and got all these loaded up, and I put blue tape on. These are the factory ones that came with my 2011 or my Springfield Prodigy. And then these ones are the new ones that I just unboxed here for you. And the one complaint I have about these, very minor though, is on the original factory one, on the 17 round one, if you hear that, it's like jiggles, you know, and I guess it's not as bad right there, but it is annoying compared to some magazines. It just sounds like a marble. Yeah, like that. So that is annoying, and I was hoping that these new ones, the 20 rounds, not as bad. It doesn't do it as bad, but in these 17 rounders, super annoying. But I was hoping that this one, it was just a faulty mag, but it's the same thing for these two. So I don't know if these springs just need broken in a little more, and you won't have that rattle, but on these 17 round mags, there is that rattle. Again, here's the new 20 round full. It doesn't rattle. This one barely rattles like at all. So Maraca, normal mag. So just a heads up there, not a big issue. I'm sure it'll feed just fine. This one has for me, it's done just fine feeding, but I don't know why that is going on. Either way, I'm still excited. Again, these were a good deal, 50 bucks or $49.99 from magshack.com. If you need to pick some of these up, definitely a good sale price. As far as, you know, having a 2011 magazine, because some of these, if you get like the different brands, like the Staccato, or I think like Agency Arms, I think it is that sells them, they can be like 90 or 100 bucks. So good bargain as far as these, and they do have the 26 rounder if you need those as well. So check it out. But with that, that does it for this video here today. I hope this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.